Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Unfortunately, I feel like personally the remote job leads have not been the best the last week or two, but I'm continuing to dig and trying to find the best that is out there at this time. Hopefully, people are just on vacation and that will get better soon. But today's job lead is from the huge, well-known company Dyson. They make all those vacuum cleaners, air purifiers, hair dryers. They are in all the things. They are looking for a customer support specialist for their social media channels. So this is mostly going to be non-phone. However, they do mention in the job posting phones, but we will get into all of that. They are looking for somebody who can work nights and weekends. Now, one thing I do want to quickly preface is that I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, and I don't have any available information outside of what is in the job posting. For location, it says United States, Illinois remote. Now, Dyson is a national company, and I did click the apply button and look at the application. Nowhere does it say that you have to live in Illinois. A lot of these remote jobs just post their main headquarter location. But just know that going in, I am not sure if they have any state restrictions because they do not have that in the job posting. But they're basically looking for an online social support specialist to deliver outstanding positive customer experience to their customers through means of social media monitoring and user engagement. It says their team does operate 24/7, including nights and weekends, so they're looking for someone who can work a flexible schedule. But you'll be monitoring the social media websites for actionable content from consumers, responding where appropriate according to the social media guidelines that they are going to provide you. You're going to report any and all trends that you find while monitoring those social media pages up to your supervisor or whatever. You'll monitor all user reviews that they're posting on the Dyson website and social media pages about products they've bought, and you'll respond in any messages, customer community responses, all of those things. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or GED. They want somebody who has a minimum of 2 years experience in a customer service position, someone who has experience with social media sites, working on like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, all of those things. They want somebody who is experienced with quality assurance testing, someone who can type at least 50 words per minute, and of course, you've got to know those Microsoft Office systems, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, all the things. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but it does say they offer a benefit package that includes the standards medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.